Now, I don't normally do platform lifts, but you know what? Let's give it a go. DMG call button. Looks like a rebranded CIBES. Nice and scenic. Was it going to hit the chair? No, it's not. Well, given the lack of space, I can see why they went for a platform lift, to be honest. Because, yeah, there's not a huge amount of room here, is there? Like I say, I don't normally do platform lifts, but on this occasion, everyone knows this is just a DMG door close button that's been turned sideways. Hello! No, no. Come on, door. Close. Going down. Capacity 5 persons, 400 kg. Oh yes, there you are. CIBES. Supplied by Vestner. Oh. Huh, safety bar. Huh. If press lift was... I did that by accident as well.